That was awesome with DS diving. I'm in the Shadow Fax. Doing a little bit of a labor job. Putting in, installing a cotter pin on your prop nut. Went in and got that installed. Sorry. Oh, not feeling good this morning. But it is 11/10/2023. This is your after video of it. Let's go have a look at her. A little bit of a longer cotter pin, so it just wrapped around itself, and I pinched it onto the shaft past the nut right there. But does a really good job anyhow. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.